Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI transforming photo platform, which is Photopea. So let's get started. Photopea continued to lead in 2025 as the best free browser-based photo editors that work like Photoshop without downloading it. It supports PSD, PNG, JPG, and even AI files, making it perfect for designers, students, and content creators. The interface is similar for Photoshop users with tools like layers, tags, brush, text, and blending mode nodes. You can edit photos, design graphics, or retouch image in all within your browser, even offline sometimes. It's fast, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for a free tools. What makes Photopea stand out in 2025 is its accessibility. You don't need a high-end computer or expensive software. Just open the website and start editing. It's perfect for quick fix or full project, and even support advanced features like smart object and vector tools. While it may not replace Photoshop entirely, for professionals, it's easily the best free alternative for everyday use and quick photo transformation, making it top pick for budget-friendly, high-quality editing. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Photopea, and if you find the video helpful and the review, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.